Hey guys, I didn't have enough space, so this is the third part, I think. I'm still playing the game, just a little bit higher. Nothing really changed. Oh yeah. Besides that, that's really it. But suck that grenade. No man, it's good for you. It's good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better. Every meal. Oh, I missed that song. Beans are good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better you feel. So eat beans with every meal. Gobble all them down. Said beans, young lady. Beans, not freaking crazy. What? Whoa. I don't see so much this. It's kind of funny. Because you always say, hello. Well, guess what I'm going to say? Hello, dead people. How are you doing today? I'm a dog. How are you doing? I cannot lose. No! Bogus. Well, have fun, guys. This is my score, my killing, my downs. That was my Xbox.